Welcome to the introduction and overview of ATTO's new XstreamCORE 9400E. Let's get a look at our controller design and talk about some of the capabilities and customization options available once we start working on a program together. The ATTO 9400 controller that you see here is designed to our own specifications, primarily to support our development requirements. We realize that you'll want us to deliver the controller in a form factor that meets the custom size, power, software, and connector requirements for your particular chassis. On the controller board, you'll see a large heatsink which covers our xCORE processor. This incorporates all Ethernet, NVMe, processing, acceleration, and control functions into a single chip solution. The NVMe adapters that you see to the right of the xCORE engine are independent on our development board, but these would be fully integrated in your final solution. On the upper right corner, the heatsink covers our next generation PCIe switch, which allows us to support up to 24 independent U.2 drives in our design concept. Now, onto the connectivity side of the controller. Most importantly, you'll notice 4 Ethernet ports at the center of the controller. These are 4 independent 100 gigabit Ethernet ports that deliver full performance via our non-blocking switched architecture. Network connections are standard NVMeoF protocol. Inside the box, every port can access every drive without performance penalties. Depending on the storage architecture you'd like to build, we can offer 25 gigabit Ethernet options as well. We are also able to support more Ethernet ports through breakout cables or board configuration if that's desirable. The controller supports dual redundant power supplies, and management is accomplished locally via a USB or remotely through one of the 2 Ethernet management ports provided. While in this demonstration we are only showing one controller, we presume that your solution requires 2 controllers in a fully redundant configuration, which is supported. Additionally, Ethernet ports can be configured for daisy chaining to additional storage units for easy scalability. The XstreamCORE 9400E provides a flexible hardware design that is easily modified to satisfy specific OEM integration requirements and deliver a solution that fits your budget and performance needs. We look forward to working with you to grow your NVMe over Fabric solutions by efficiently applying resources to get products to market faster, seamlessly integrate with your existing interfaces, and leveraging years of ATTO xCORE data acceleration development for industry-leading performance. Thank you for joining us today.